What's up, guys? It's Dan, goodfightjunk.com. We rockin' and rollin', represent, wearing the uniform. Headed to the mailbox because I'm expecting a package. So hopefully it's in there. But I was already tracking it. It says it's in there, so let's see what happens, man. Let's check the mail. Oh, it's here. It's here. Got some other mail, but who cares about that? Let's see. Number 3. Oh, here it is. Shout out to you, Rosario's Junk Removal. We got it, bro. It's gonna be awesome. We'll unbox it right now. Cool. All right, guys. Here we are. We are at headquarters. We got the package. Woo! Yeah. All the way from Springfield, Massachusetts. That's awesome. So we're ready to crack this thing open. He put to Good Fight Junk. That's so cool. Check it out. Look. Oh, I don't know. Can't see the address, man. Or you can actually find it online, so whatever. But here we go. This is so cool. You know what? Alright, yeah, we're cool. Dude. There it is. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, okay. First part. What? Be sure to like us on Facebook. Yeah, that's awesome. Next. Also, be sure to subscribe on YouTube. Hit that like button. Yeah, I got that. And here we go. This is the money maker right here. Woo! Ready? This is going on the back window. Dang, this thing's bigger than I thought. Woo! Are we ready to generate some business? Yes, we are. Wow, this thing is awesome. Look at this. Smells, look at this. Woo! Give us a call. We'll send you a quote. Text us your junk and we'll get you a quote real fast. Or visit us online. goodfightjunk.com. Awesome. Shout out and thanks to Rosario's Junk Removal. Thank you, Carlos. Appreciate it, man. This is crazy. This is such a big blessing, and it's going to help out a lot. So, shout out to him. And if you have not yet subscribed to his channel, cruise on over to Rosario's Junk Removal. He's got some pretty good videos. And subscribe to him and like his stuff. Well, guys, dude, we got to go. We got to go put this on the truck. Stand by. This is gonna be awesome, dude. Man, this is gonna be crazy. All right, we're done. It was really tough. It's really hard to put those stickers on, but here it is. Good Fight Junk Removal. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Awesome. Awesome.